Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Yes guys, we're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Yes guys, it's a beautiful day here in Jamrock. Yes guys, and I'm always representing for my beautiful country, Jamaica. Yes guys, we're here today, right? So, I'm gonna be cooking some Sunday dinner. Me no know, guys. I think I'm just gonna fry the chicken and cook it down. I'm not gonna be doing too much today because, guys, your girl is not in the mood to cook or do anything, but just for you guys and the love of my subscribers, you know, I have to put out a video for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys watch it and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Remember, you can find me on other platforms at Fanika TV, but on Facebook it's Erica Shackelford. Yes guys, let's subscribe, let's leave a comment down below and also like the video, share it with family and friends. Yes guys, let's get us to 30,000 subscribers. I'm gonna season up the meat now and get everything ready up for Sunday. The vinegar, guys. Go fry some chicken. Guys, get it mixed up. Mustard and egg, everybody. The chicken today. We're cooking chicken for dinner. I love chicken. We love chicken. Guys, my peas. Obviously, my peas almost done. Cook. Hey guys, chicken today. Some flour. I'll coat the chicken them. I make them stay in the flour for a couple minutes. So I'm gonna put at least like about three. I put three. Come on, if you coat good. Then put three. Yes, I go sprinkle it over. I'll sprinkle it over and then I let it go. So then let's do it so, right? I want it to be fluffy. If I catch so as you will flour over. Yeah, that's the plan. Well, flour over. So I'm gonna leave it. Three is enough to stay. They're gonna stay in our flour for a couple minutes before we get to fry it. Well, stop coming, boy. I add enough oil, guys. That's a fry. I reckon. I'll go. Mother, go back of this. Yeah, guys. Just I go fry the chicken and done. Cut to the Sunday. No, I know home style chicken for my Sunday dinner. Guys, me I go put some. Me I go put piece of pepper, piece of garlic, and guys, me not have no scallion. Me can't believe I saw me use scallion hard. Me not no more scallion. When me use this morning, me nothing. Me I go check. Let me find one little piece. Yeah, me go start planting sitting here for myself. I go be a buy onion on it. Sorry, garlic. I think me see all them plant garlic, you know. I will try. Yeah. About the boy, every fucking time me a cooking play music. In just one person, and she say me a big it. About the boy. I me put garlic on. Garlic. More chicken can't hold in a pot. So I'll put more chicken. I me go put more chicken in there. The fire hot. I'm showing them one before then. Sometimes I like fried chicken. I never it come out exactly like one I want. Honey, I'll never leave you there. Mhm. There you go. Hey guys, I lost what's up in this. I'm not trying to work at it today. I just pour away. No wonder it's good. Okay, you know. Oh. One more must can hold in there, guys. Now make it to one piece. You guys everything can work. Happy a little. Right down the left your breast. Some people play with each other. La, second butter chicken, guys. I have to know that's it. I have 3 block. Yeah, I have to keep on up turn the chicken coming on them burn. But anyway, guys, I think them are ready now. Can get them. Make that one first and get them out and smell nice. Can't help myself. That's it. That make me look like me have heat dip. I'm gonna heat dip, you know. Oh, the second batch of chicken. Yeah, me what? The way me I go make as so make it the then call or something there. Alright, guys, so the chicken is finished. Make me put pan it up this or something. Chicken finish. I go make the gravy. I don't even know what me go make a gravy. Oh, me have ketchup. I may go see what me can make with